I'm going to be reading a book called I'm a Bulldozer. It's by Dennis R. Sheely, illustrated by Bob Steek. I'm a bulldozer. Pushy, you're darring tootin'. I'm pushy. I'm a bulldozer. They call me Push McCullerhan, and I'm a big, big machine. When a new building goes up, I'm on the construction site before other machines have had their first cup of morning diesel. I work from sunup till sundown, pushing dirt, rocks, and rubble out of the way. I rev my engine and blow my steam, and I don't stop until each pile is right where I want it. Do I get dirty? You betcha. Luckily, my wide steel treads keep me from getting stuck in the muck. And they help me roll right over big rocks and uneven ground. Other earth movers, like backhoes, load the dirt and rubble into dump trucks that carry the mess away. Let's roll! Bulldozers like to keep busy. When folks need new roads, I carve them out and clear the way. Graders, asphalt layers, and steamrollers follow me to make the road you ride on as smooth as chocolate pudding. On the farm, I use a big spike called a ripper to loosen hard earth and pull tree stumps out of the ground. I guess that makes me a bulldozer. Once the field is clear, tractors and other farm machines are able to plow the ground and plant seeds. When there's a forest fire and the heat is on, I'm ready to face the flames. I use my big blade to pull dirt firewalls to keep the blaze back. And I push underbrush and old trees out of the way so the fire can't spread. While I'm busy with that, other rescue vehicles like fire trucks and water bombers pull the fire out. I've always got a new job to tackle: floods, snowstorms, rock quarries, and mines, and even stinky old garbage dumps. P.U. At the end of the day, I wash off, stress my treads, and relax because tomorrow I'm gonna do it all over again. Darn tootin'!